Satya, we gonna be here, please. We gonna be here, please. Hi my lovely friends and welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to cover the most important question, which is about how to keep your acrylic colors moist. I know it's already summer time और इस time सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे colors dry हो जाते हैं and it becomes super difficult to paint. In case I tell you that from now on you'll be able to save your colors and keep them moist for more than 1 week. I know it's unbelievable, but I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing hack which is for free and you can just make it at home by using basic products already lying at your place. So yeah, let's get started and I'm going to be covering up all the important points that are going to really help you in keeping your colors moist. So let's get started. So one of the factors that keeps your colors moist is also the quality of the color. In case you're using a beginner level paint at this point of time, then it's going to dry more quickly as compared to expensive colors or good quality brand. But you don't have to worry at all about if you're using a beginner special paint at this point of time, because you can always mix some acrylic medium or water to your color mix and enjoy coloring. And as it's summertime, so the colors are going to dry very quickly as compared to monsoon or winter season. So what you can do is you can actually use this amazing hairspray bottle. So I have filled water inside it. I sprayed first on my canvas just to make it moist and of course on my color palette, and it does delay the drying process. You know what you can do is whenever you have to take a break, just spray it all over your color palette and just you can take a break for about 1 hour or 1.5 hours and come back to your painting and your colors won't dry. At the same time, if it's too hot, you can also apply it on your face. And I think you also need some. Now comes the most exciting part where I'm going to be sharing with you how to keep your colors moist for weeks. So I do that by using this wet palette. This was sent to me by Red Grass and I loved it so much. I've already used it in one of my previous videos and I've shown you the entire process that I used it for about 18 days and my colors were still moist. Well, you can always make it at home by using simple and easy products. So let's get started. तो इसे बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए एक empty plastic box. ये थोड़ा broad size का होगा तो सही है ताकि उसमें कलर्स वगैरह अच्छे से आ पाए. एंड देन वी नीड टू ऐड फोम शीट या आप स्पंज भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. एंड देन इसमें मैंने डाला है ठंडा पानी. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि पानी हमारा चिल्ड होना चाहिए और उसे अच्छे से स्प्रेड करने के बाद इसके ऊपर मैं लगाने वाली हूँ एक पार्चमेंट पेपर की शीट और ये बन जाएगा हमारा कलर पैलेट का सरफेस. इसके ऊपर हम अपने कलर्स जो भी आपको यूज करने हैं वो आप इसके ऊपर रख सकते हैं. एंड योर कलर्स आर गोना स्टे मॉइस्ट फॉर अबाउट 1 वीक. आराम से आपके कलर्स 1 हफ्ते तक मॉइस्ट रहेंगे और इन्हें कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So you should definitely try this. So this is it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful. In case you did, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.